Hi, Christmas and winters are here, and this is my favorite season. Hello and welcome back to Upcycle. This is Manisa here. Today I'm here to share my first project from the Crafty December Hop, which is a collaboration with Ranjita, handmade by Ranjita. So the first prompt that we have given each other is old pages. I have few old cards and grungy looking pages, and Ranjita has sent me few old pages. So I'm going to use them to make some ephemeras. Now ephemeras are nothing but the short-lived vintage, the memories that we collect and old things that we use. Those are called ephemeras. You can't, they are not forever, but then they are very precious to each one of us. So here I'm quickly adhering some torn out pages to my base. You can either use decoupage glue or clear gesso for this process. I'm showing you how to use a decoupage glue and stick those. Make sure you're cutting out very random and the edges are corrugated and rough, so that it gives that very vintage and old look. Now I'm adding the second layer of paper. This is musical note 1. These papers are pretty cool, and they instantly add that grungy effect to our projects. I'm going to make some Christmas cards out of these ephemeras. So now I'm using a tissue paper. This is a German napkin, 3-ply one. So I'm just cutting out the bird image and then removing the other 2 layers and using the top layer to decoupage over to my old book pages. Make sure you're applying the glue from inside to the outside so that the napkin wouldn't tear and everything would be wrinkle free and pasted properly. So this is how it looked. I'm adding some more of the napkin just to add in some more color. This is a very fun project which can be attempted by kids and adults alike. Use your old papers or whatever pretty prints that you have around and quickly make some cards or tags, whatever you would wish to. So now I'm letting this dry to a side. I'm taking the other card. This is also a very grungy card. I'm taking thin strips of paper and then adding over to the base in the similar fashion. Attaching 2 to 3 strips here. Now I would like to add some color to it using washi tapes. These are Prima washi tapes in various old and vintage ticket prints kind of thing. So I'm roughly cutting some washi tape and sticking it at the empty spaces. So this is how it looked. Our motive for this Crafty December is to craft along, have fun over the year end and enjoy the process. So I'm quickly using some rubber stamps and adding archival ink and stamping it over the card surface once everything is dry. You can add random foliage, sentiments, whatever you wish to. We are making it as distressed and as grungy as possible here this day. This process is totally optional, and you just enjoy and add things as per your choice. You need not have these specific things that you want to do. It's just a random process of doing it. Now I have this beautiful paper pack which is Christmas themed, so I'm just cutting off one of the cards from there. It says be merry. I think this would go pretty well with the season. So I'm again cutting it out the edges, or you can just roughly use your scissors and do it. There is something called a Ranger tool, distress tool, that you can use as well. I'm also cutting a Santa sentiment. It says it's the most beautiful time of the year. So there we have some cards. Just add and embellish it. You can use a double-sided tape, and I'm using some white glue here to just attach it to the card base. Now I'm creating a little edged border using the old papers again and sticking it onto the base. Now I'm not going to give any height to it because this is being mounted over a card which would have the height. So I'm sticking it directly using a white glue, a normal one. So this is how it looked. And now I'm going to add one more card onto this, a little postcard maybe. And then distress it in the same fashion using my scissor edges, just to give it a little old and vintage worn out effect. I'm just adding little color onto the edges using an archival ink and then pasting it onto my base. There I have my cards. I'll be mounting it onto the card base. I hope you enjoyed this quick process of creating some ephemera cards, and please look forward to all the 12 videos and hop on to Ranjita's channel as well. So let's rock this. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you're liking my projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.